Your lordship may see from para 7 minutes. So from para 6 itself, admittedly the written examination for the recruitment in question took place in a phased manner within a span of
No, only for 2 minutes. Okay, what happened?
only one. Gaurav Sharma, my lord, it is there is one more thing, my lord, this Gaurav Sharma which makes clear of. Here is a situation when the advertisement, amended advertisement was issued that normalization will take place. Formula was not declared at that time. If the petitioners are agreed with the fact that the formula was not declared when the advertisement was issued, even though it is not necessary under law, then also they should have come at that time. What they do is, my lord, they participate in the selection process, take the written examination, and when the result is declared and normalization process is over, and when they do not find their name in the persons who have been called for document verification, then they come to this honorable court. Time and again, my lord, I am not citing judgments to burden your lordship with this. It is certain, my lord, that those who take a risk of participation in process and take a chance, they are not even fence sitters, my lord. They are chance takers. They have taken the chance, and when failed, they have come to this honorable court. It is not permissible, my lord, and this was also a case of scaling, my lord Gaurav Sharma, in which several reasons have been assigned for not interfering from para 31 onwards. So, in my humble submission, my lord, that these are persons, when the final result is declared, and if your lordship permit me, for 2 minutes, may I explain why this formula represents the process of normalization and a legal process of normalization. Only 2 minutes I will take. Normalization is required, my lord, because of the fact that when there are more than one set of papers in the same subject, those who attempt them, they are likely to score differently because of the fact that the questions asked in different papers, not being the same, they cannot be assessed on the same issue. Known to the candidate or not known to the candidate, and that's why getting negative marks or succeeding in replying. In that situation, my lord, statistical method is adopted. Why this court should not interfere in this situation is, my lord, mathematics is a, my lord, science with exactitude. Statistics is applied when it is not possible to have anything exact. Data are analyzed by way of statistical method, and they are different. Like in averaging, your lordship, mean is adopted, median is adopted, averaging is adopted based on different contexts. This is how, my lord, they have given the literature of various, that this examination, this formula is applied. Now the situation is, my lord, in GATE examination, a different formula is applied. In CAT examination, it is differently applied. In other examination, in differently applied. Different formulas are applied, and no court ever has said that application of this formula renders the examination itself as invalid. It is choice of the expert looking to the context and the nature of the examination to apply a statistical formula. This formula is a formula of averaging, which will be clear from this, my lord. The scores of every shift, all the candidates' scores are, my lord, taken, and a mean, that is average, is drawn out. Statistical mean is its own method of arriving at an average. Each shift, my lord, average has been taken. Then, my lord, I need not bother your lordship more. ये जो है सर, ये मीन तो इससे क्लियर है. आई बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट टॉक टू द एक्सपर्ट, आई मे नॉट बी टेकन ए.
जो निकाला है, is the mean of the score or the mean of the candidate?
Scores, my lord. Let me show it why it is scores, my lord. It is given below the formula. The scores of shift 1 candidates has been taken and a mean.
कैसे किया? सारे शिफ्ट वन की जितने भी कैंडिडेट थे सबके स्कोर को ऐड कर दिया.
Now this,
मेथड की बात समझ नहीं आई जो आप कह रहे हैं ना कि दिस इज अ मीन ऑफ द स्कोर.
yes,
इन व्हाट मैनर? सारे शिफ्ट वन के जितने भी कैंडिडेट्स उनके स्कोर को ऐड कर दिया या उनका एवरेज निकाला या नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स का मीन थे, ये है क्या थी? एंड दैट इज द बेसिस ऑफ दिस फार्मूला. सबसे बेस जो निकाला वो उसी के बेसिस पे निकाला. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस?
then my lord,
स्कोर अगर सबके स्कोर को ऐड करने से what purpose would be solved? Is the mean?
no, I am not saying that. I am only saying, my lord, so far this mean of combined scores is concerned, it seems to be mean of all the shifts. How it has been calculated, my lord, to authentically answer, my lord, I have to seek instruction, my lord.
क्यों निकाला? मीन कैसे निकाला?
That, my lord, I will have to have instruction from the expert and then.
तो कैसे निकालते हैं? तो दैट इन द परस्पेक्टिव में वापस से फॉलो.
Yes.
तो एनीथिंग एल्स अगर कुछ भी है तो फिर समझ नहीं कल से फॉर्म भी लिख देते हैं.
We have to say only three things in very short. First, whatever argument made by the advocate general, kindly see reply. Secondly, in reply, only one line was mentioned that it is as per the expert committee of the board, and board say it is as per the expert committee of the subject. Neither the board expert committee nor the subject expert committee was placed on record. All the judgment they have relied on the expert committee report. Reduce their mark.
तो सेम ही होगा ना.
And
ज्यादा रखेंगे
question है.
कैसे ही
क्वेश्चन दूसरा है, सिक्स शिफ्ट का सबके इंक्रीज हुई तो व्हाट आर द मटेरियल. सिक्स शिफ्ट का पेपर हार्ड था और 6-1 और 4 का पेपर इजी था. हाउ दिस फार्मूला वाज अप्लाइड? व्हाट इज द बेसिस ऑफ दिस फार्मूला? व्हिच
Sir, thing is, for example, there are 10 candidates in one shift, 10 candidates in each shift.
यस सर.
फर्स्ट शिफ्ट की जो 10 कैंडिडेट हैं उन सबके मार्क्स जो वो 10 में से 4 या 5 से ज्यादा नहीं आए अगर टफ पेपर है. सेकेंड शिफ्ट में अगर जो कैंडिडेट है अगर वो इजी पेपर है तो एवरेज कैंडिडेट्स के 7 से 8 मार्क्स आए.
एग्री.
इसीलिए सारे स्कोर को ऐड कर दिया. बिकॉज़ तो उससे पता चलेगा and how the people perform. That becomes the basis to consider the paper is tough or the paper is easy.
Yes. Now kindly see, तो शिफ्ट वाइज करना था. दे हैव कंबाइंड दिस मीन.
Shift wise.
Kindly see.
Shift wise clear, sir. See, हर shift का clear है.
Thereafter, if this is combined mean, lordship, then it cannot be disadvantage to particular shift and advantage to the particular shift.
Formula.
ये पैरेंटिंग बना.
Question. What was the question here? Lordship, इस फार्मूला बनाने का what was the material they have not placed before this court? Secondly, एक चीज है lordship.
बेटर की जो भी रिपोर्ट है उसको लेके आए.
मैम
Secondly, एक बात है साहब, आज जो किसी handicap, they will not know किस परसेंटेज वाले को बुलाया उन्होंने इंटरव्यू. कट ऑफ मार्क्स डिक्लेयर ही नहीं किया.
इंटरव्यू है नहीं सर, इसमें यही कह रहे हैं, इंटरव्यू है ही नहीं.
हाँ, मेरिट लिस्ट.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
कंपटीशन पर भी पड़ेगा. कोई फाइट नहीं.
मेरिट में कैटेगरी वाइज कॉल करेंगे ना सर. यस सर.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
उसमें एससी कैटेगरी तो फाइनल सिलेक्ट लिस्ट होगी उसमें कैटेगरी वाइज ही होगी ना.
This is the final selection list. The rule does not provide. It is a provisional list.
अरे फाइनल सिलेक्ट लिस्ट तो कैटेगरी वाइज ही होगी ना.
Yes.
उसमें कैटेगरी में अभी आप क्लियर हो जाएगा ना. अगर कोई एससी का कैटेगरी है तो उनके मार्क्स ज्यादा है. जो भी आफ्टर नॉर्मलाइजेशन उनके मार्क्स ज्यादा है. अगर फाइनल लिस्ट कट ऑफ होता है तो पता चल जाएगा ना मुझसे कम मार्क्स वाला अगर कोई अपॉइंट हो गया है.
This honorable court has not stated the process. They are calling the for candidate for verification. They will declare the cutoff. People know category wise cutoff.
फाइनलिज्म पे स्टे किया हुआ सर.
तुम्हारे
इट्स द रिपोर्ट ऑफ द कमिटी.
ठीक मैम.
इस पे है तो देखिए.
ठीक.
ये
ठीक.